Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to hide Instagram direct message content on your phone's lock screen, keeping your private messages safe from prying eyes. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, this updated method will help you maintain your privacy without turning off notifications completely. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Here, you'll see a list of all installed apps. Find and tap on Instagram from the list. This will open the app-specific settings. Now, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can customize how Instagram notifications appear on your device. Within Instagram's notification settings, find and tap on the Instagram Direct option. This controls notifications for your direct messages. Finally, tap on Lock Screen Settings and choose Hide Content. This option ensures that when you receive a message, the notification will appear on your lock screen, but the sender's name and message content will be hidden. By following these steps, you'll still get notified about new Instagram messages, but the details will remain private until you unlock your phone and open the app. This is perfect for protecting your conversations from anyone who might glance at your locked screen. Remember, this method keeps your message previews hidden without disabling notifications entirely, so you won't miss any important messages. That's it. Now you know how to hide Instagram direct message content on your lock screen quickly and easily. Stay safe and keep your privacy intact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your settings regularly to keep your device secure.